Hey guys, Justin here of Tech. And finally, after 3 years, Xiaomi is back in the tablet market with the Xiaomi Pad 5 and the Pad 5 Pro. It's about time since tablets are surely becoming a go-to device for students as well as for work-from-home professionals. So yeah, we finally got our hands on the Xiaomi Pad 5 and let's take a quick look at it. So we have here a white medium-sized box and it reads Xiaomi Pad 5 and not Xiaomi Mi Pad 5. As you may have noticed, the brand is slowly removing the Mi in their devices' names and we're getting the hang of it. Anyways, upon opening it up, we get the tablet right away. And removing the plastic, bam! This looks good! Okay, let's set that aside first. Underneath, we get this smaller box that contains your manual and warranty. Unlike the Chinese version, we don't get a free headphone adapter for this global variant, so you'll have to buy one for yourself if you prefer wired headsets. Anyways, we also get another small box for the USB Type-C cable and the 22.5 watts power adapter. And that's everything. Checking out design, the first thing that popped into our minds is its resemblance to the Xiaomi Mi 11 series. Particularly, its protruding square camera module with curved edges, the Xiaomi branding, and the matte frosted back. You'll also appreciate its nice aluminum frame. The unit we have is in the pearl white color and locally it's also available in cosmic gray. Its size and weight are pretty average to most tablets in its range, so it's easy to bring anywhere. Up front, we get an 11-inch or rather a 10.9-inch display to be exact with moderately thick bezels. This 2K IPS LCD display features up to 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10, and 10-bit color support so it can show up to 1 billion colors. In portrait mode, you'll find the front camera on the top bezel, so we'll introduce the buttons and ports in this orientation. Found on the right side are the volume rocker, 2 microphones, and the Xiaomi Smart Pen charger. Then on the left is the keyboard connector. The Smart Pen and keyboard, by the way, are optional accessories. On top, we get a power button together with 2 speakers and a single microphone. And as for the bottom part, there's your USB Type-C port, main microphone, and 2 more loudspeakers. If you're wondering, the Xiaomi Pad 5 is a Wi-Fi only tablet. Now talk about its internals, the Xiaomi Pad 5 is powered by a Snapdragon 860 processor that's paired with an Adreno 640 GPU, 6GB of RAM, and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. It's running on Android 11 skin with MIUI 12.5/MIUI 4 Pad since it's optimized for a tablet. You can surely expect Google services on board, and so far this OS looks well organized and familiar. We'll explore it more in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for our full review. As for the battery, it's equipped with a large 8720 mAh capacity with 22.5 watts fast charging. Going through the cameras, at the back is a 13-megapixel lens, while on its notch is an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. We're not really expecting a lot from it since cameras aren't much of a focus for tablets, but so far they're not that bad. To give you an idea, here are a few sample photos that we got. So we don't have the official local price yet for this Xiaomi Pad 5, but we'll surely update you guys in the description box once it's available. Right now, this is really looking good. We're excited to use it more in the next couple of days, so expect our full review soon. And how about you? What do you think of this Xiaomi Pad 5? Do let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.